Jerusalem. But I'm playing online games. I'm not going to have any voice later on to tell guys what to do and shit. That's okay.
If I do another song, it's going to be better for my whole family.
Bro, what's your records on? I mentioned games, bro.
Yeah.
I want to tell all these guys before anybody else.
Alright, guys, we got some big news. Huge news.
Alright, on Monday.
Monday.
Who remembers back in the day, about 10 years ago, we made a video game called Big City Earners, yeah? It was about a lad who runs around collecting figures, dodging the jacks, yeah?
Yeah, playing the trains, fucking the system up.
But guess what? There's a new version coming out, and this ain't about fingers, bro. This is about fucking panels and WRXs and all that fucking fresh shit. This is one of the oldest tracks we ever fucking made. This is the first track we ever played live.
Oh, fucking nuts, yeah. And the nutters. Welcome to the circus. You can get safe locked up when I enter. You spitting that same verse. Drink the detergent, I'm with the worst. Call the curtains, hands in any versions. They try to put me out of service. My face wasn't different. Killing them from hell on Thursday. When it comes to truth, never learned it. Never get nervous. When they talk to the worst bit, and that ain't the worst bit. You can get burned quick. Cause when I get burned, I break the churches. Try to go out and fucking play the worst. The only person who was that purpose is pissing in with that person. On the surface, burn bridges with the merchants. When I hang up, casually, it's fucking bossy stuff. Click, what's the money for? My friends got pigs by the donkey's fuck. It's a holocaust. I'm talking about it's like a donkey fuck. Yeah, it's shit got done, the punch undone, the back undone. Then the drum seems like, yeah, when you know what's going on, I gotta tell them this shit going on. Back on the velvet bullshit. All day banging out the full grip. At the funeral,